Today we are sharing a very yummy recipe of chicken corn soup. It's very easy to make and it's very delicious and best for flu and cough in the winter season. So let's start this recipe. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the first step, we are boiling the chicken. We are taking 250-gram chicken and we are boiling by adding 2 cup of water, and also we added black crushed pepper and salt to taste. We will shred the chicken pieces and the chicken stock is ready. So now we are adding the sweet corns. We are taking half cup sweet corn which we are adding in the chicken stock. We have shredded the chicken and removed the bones. So 1 cup shredded chicken is ready, which is adding in the chicken stock. Now we are mixing it. We will cook it for some time. We have boiled the eggs. Now we will add the white vinegar. So we are adding 2 tablespoons white vinegar and also 2 tablespoons soya sauce in the soup. Pepper and salt. Now we are making the paste of the corn flour. So we are taking 2 tablespoons corn flour. We will mix it in the water. After dissolving the corn flour, we will add in the soup. There should be no lumps in it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are adding gradually in the soup and we are mixing it. The soup is going to be ready. We are adding the corn flour to make the consistency of the soup. So after mixing and for after some time, we will add the egg in it. This is the consistency of the soup. Now we are beating 1 egg. Then we will add in the soup and we will use the sieve to add the egg in the soup. So now we are adding the egg in this way. You can also pour the egg in it, and we have boiled the egg, so we are cutting in the small pieces. Soup is ready. Very delicious and tasty soup. Hope you will like this recipe. If you like this recipe of soup, comment us and also subscribe our channel to get more new recipes and vlogs. Allah Hafiz.